walking into my little room here, on the left hand side I have this little bench with a pillow. I do have stuff that is behind the door that I have, but normally that's put away in a closet, so don't mind that. Anyways, this bench, I got it at Burlington Coat Factory, and it's just like a nice bench that it's gray and it opens up and it has some, you know, just button lining on the bottom, and then it just opens up and you can use it as storage. It's really soft. I'm not sure what the material is, but I honestly don't even use this. I just saw it at Burlington and it was on sale for a great price. I think it was like 60 bucks, so I got it. And then I just have this random pillow sitting on it. This pillow, I believe I got from Walmart. And I actually used to have two, so I would sit this one here and then I would have the other one there, but it just mysteriously disappeared. My husband probably stole it or something. So I just have this little awkward one right in the middle. Moving along, I have this mirror, and it's just a huge full body mirror. It's framed. It's a mirror, and then it looks like it's framed with more mirror around it. It's really pretty and I like it, but again, it's something that I didn't need but I wanted to have. I was actually shopping on Black Friday, I believe. Yeah, it was this past Black Friday, and I went into Kirkland's Home and I saw this mirror and I was in love, and I was like, you know what, don't even look at the price because this place is probably so expensive already. I looked at it and it was on sale for like $70 and my heart dropped. So I instantly picked it up. And it was actually funny because it wouldn't fit in my car. So I had to go all the way home and get my husband's car and come all the way back and get it. But I actually found this on their website, and I believe on the website it's like $108. I don't know if it's still costs that. I'll look, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But there's like little things on the back that you can hook it up, and you can put it on a wall. I just have mine catty corner laying against the wall because I just feel like it works better that way. So here's just a close-up of it. It has a nice, like I said, trimming, and then it has like mirror here, another trimming, and then the actual mirror itself. This is just a little desk. It has a little drawer that's actually grown to be my junk drawer. But it has like one hole, like this side is whole, and then on the other side, if you can see, it's just like a metal. And it's really nice because you can actually, you know, put stuff in there. Not in there, but like for example, this corner, if I had something that came out a little bit farther, then it could fit right in that hole and it'd be fine. But I got this desk at IKEA for $50. This desk has actually been through a couple moves. You can see, I took it apart once for the first move, and then after that I just took the whole thing and just put it on the moving truck. So it does have some nicks and some scratches, but you know, it's still fine in my opinion, and it still works pretty well. And for $50, like, I don't mind, because I can always, you know, either repurchase another one later in the future, or find something else. But for $50, this thing has gotten me a long way. I believe I bought this in the summer of 2016, yeah. And so now it's 2018 and it's about to be the summer again, so it's pretty much you know, held really well. And then this big mirror that I have right here, yes, I'm missing a light bulb, don't mind that. I'm just too lazy to buy a whole new pack from Walmart, so I just kind of let it be. But one day I'll fix that, one day. So anyways, I made this mirror. There's a bunch of YouTube videos on how to make and assemble a mirror like this. But as you can see, it's like a plate that has 4 places for bulbs on it. and I bought 3. So I have one here on the top and then again another one on the side. These light bulbs, I got the clear ones from Walmart, and then the mirror in the middle was like 14 bucks. 14 bucks I think from Lowe's. And I can't remember the dimensions of it, but I think it was the smallest one that they had. But anyways, and how I turn it on, you can see a little thing popping through. I turn it on. We assembled it with one of these things, so I will try to turn it on, but it's probably going to be too bright for the camera, so I don't know. Let's see. It's not too bad. And over here I have these 2 drawers, and everybody raves, as far as I know, everybody raves and wants the Alex drawers, I believe they're called, from IKEA. And I think for 1 unit, it's like $70. And I was gonna buy those, but then I came across these. And after, you know, going back and forth a couple of times, I decided to go with these. So I originally got 1 to start off with. So I just had my dresser and then just one of these, because let's be real, I don't even have enough makeup to go through and fill up all of this. So this is mostly makeup and hair stuff, and like some self tanner and stuff like that. Anyways, so I got one of the units for $50, which I thought was a better steal. However, I mean, if you're looking for something super, super long term, then I would get, you know, the Alex drawers, because they're a little bit more sturdy. Although I can't remember, I think it's this one. No. Whatever one. I had the original one that I had gotten that way before I got this stuff. So I would say that has held up a lot more. But I will say, if you don't screw in the front drawers tight enough, they will pop off, and it kind of gets super annoying. So just make sure they're like screwed, and you can even use wood glue, which they give you in the assembly, but I was just way too lazy to use the wood glue. So yeah, I would recommend using the wood glue and just making sure the screws are really tight. But I don't have any containers, any of these. I literally just throw in my makeup. Like, for example, this drawer is some of my makeup palettes or whatever, and I honestly just throw them like wherever. And then I have 2 more palettes that I put in here, and then it makes it full. I have the Jaclyn palette and the Morphe 39A palette, Dare to Create, I think it's called. And those are the bigger palettes, and I just put those on top. But that is probably the most organized. For example, this is like a lot of my lip products or whatever, and a random makeup wipe, and they literally just lay in the drawer, which is not good, because as you can see, it kind of makes it get dirty. But again, I'm lazy and I don't want to take the time or the patience to put them in containers. Maybe one day I'll get there. But anyways, they do come with wheels that you can assemble on the bottom, but I just didn't want to deal with it because I just wanted them to be like that. To the right of that, I have this cubby. This you can get anywhere. You can get at Target, Walmart, whatever. I think I got this at Walmart for like 30 bucks, which at the time I was using it as a TV stand and just putting little bins in it for storage. Which was perfect. But then when we moved into this house, we got an actual TV stand, so I just kind of put this in here because it matched everything, and it just holds my shoes that I can't fit like in my closet. Then I ran out of room, and then I just have some random stuff on top that I use for decoration. But this is a 360 of the room.